just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I am staying safe. Today's video is regarding decorate and enhance the interior walls of our room to elevate its look and feel. So this is the room guys. We decided to do the wallpaper for this wall. Why I've chosen only this room? I'm going to show you the other side of this wall. From so many days, I really had a plan of doing this, but due to some reasons, it got postponed. But the day has come. I'm so excited to do this, guys, because I love to do interior decorations. Wallpapers are usually available in the form of rolls and or an integral part of contemporary interior designing. They are also known as lining papers. So today I've just ordered the wallpaper from Amazon itself. 6 rolls I just ordered guys because it's a 10 feet wall. 5 rolls it's enough, but for safety purpose I just ordered one more extra. So I'm just testing the size as well as where to stick, how to stick. So this is how the other side of the wall. So that is the reason we decided to do the wallpaper. Guys, this is only for the temporary purpose and I'm not going to suggest you guys to do the wallpaper for this particular walls. For temporary purpose only I'm just doing it guys. Something is better than nothing, right? Before gonna do the wallpaper, we need to brush the surface of the wall to remove any dirt or any unwanted particles before applying the wallpaper. Removing the unwanted particles of the wall, I just took the help of my hubby. And of course, we can't do it individually guys. Remember, we definitely need a help. Whenever I enter this room, definitely I used to feel I have to do something for this wall. But today, that is the reason I'm so excited. And I'm going to show you the final look how it has come. And before that, how I did, I'm going to show you that. This is 10 feet wall guys. For 10 feet wall, 5 rolls is enough. For safer side, I just ordered one more extra. Wallpapers we need to cut and adjust it according to the length and breadth of the wall. When applied in your living room or dining space or a bedroom with the help of wallpaper paste or any recommended adhesive, simply cut the wallpaper according to your desired size and stick on to the surface of the wall with the provided adhesive. It is also recommended to brush the surface of the wall. Guys, it really took us nearly 3 to 4 hours to complete this. And yes, we need to have a lot of patience for this. I slowly started doing it and I really love to do this. I'm enjoying while doing also. I'm just doing only with the hand because I'm comfortable with. People will use some tools also. You can go ahead for it. Here I'm slightly pulling down and yes, I'm doing it perfectly. What do you guys say? Slowly we need to pull the wrapper behind the wallpaper and definitely we need to take care of the air bubbles. And here and there it happens, but that's okay. But be careful guys while sticking. This wallpaper is self-adhesive, heat-resistant, waterproof, anti-oil, easy to clean. But guys, one suggestion from my side. Do not stick on moist walls. This is a moist wall what I am doing it. But this is for temporary purpose I am just doing. You can do it on plain and smooth surfaces. But before sticking, don't forget to clean the surface. Really, the wallpaper quality is extraordinary, guys. Definitely, you can go ahead for this if you are doing it on smooth and plain surfaces. The moist side, where I've showed the damaged side of the wall, I've just take 2 layers for the safer side, and let's see how long it is gonna stay. Definitely, I'm gonna update you regarding this. Wow, what a look, guys! I'm so surprised watching this particular wall today because I did not expect this perfection because the wallpaper color also even suited for the other walls paint also. As you can see here, this wallpaper and the other side of the walls also, both the sides of the wall, it got matched to this particular wallpaper. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy. There is no other words to say regarding this wallpaper. Now I'm going to show you the final look of this wall. Please have a look. So that's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.